Okay, so the easiest way to do this is to go on your Screencastify like you're used to. Record your video like you're, usually would. And then I'm going to stop. Okay, now over here on this side, I can just grab that shareable link now and send that to parents. However, it's kind of hard sometimes. They have to download it, or there's permission issues. So what's a better option is right here, right under that blue bar, while you're here in the Screencastify window, just hit Publish to YouTube. Now, we're going to change this setting to only people with the link can view. And what that means is that it has to be somebody that you send this YouTube link to. It's not like it's just out there on the YouTube in general. And we can put in, a description for your class. Okay, and I'm going to upload. And then copy this link. There you go. And it said something went wrong, so I just hit it again. So not a big deal. Copy this link. It might take a little bit longer depending on how long your video is or the internet connection. However, the bonus to uploading it to YouTube is that it will play on absolutely anything. Desktop, laptop, tablet, Xbox, phone. It'll play on everything. Plus, parents and students are really used to YouTube as a platform. So I would copy that YouTube link, and that is what I would send to my parents in Remind, or in an email, or in Dojo, or post to Google Classroom, just because it's a little bit easier platform and easier for them to get to if they're using YouTube.